All right, so welcome back to the training. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Siphon page. Now, like I showed you before, because of the changes recently, they have taken away the power that used to be launched when you launched a static HTML with Amazon. Now, I'm going to show you the workaround, and when I show you, you'll be surprised about how easy it is, but yet you have not seen anyone teaching this method until now. So I'm going to show you the Siphon method. It's simple yet effective, and you can try different variations. So you can utilize the tactics that I showed you before as far as finding the templates, launching your site, but instead of naming your bucket normally like we did our walkthrough, which was Chris Palmer SEO, if you take a look down here, I have other buckets that are www.s3.amazon.aws.com. I name my bucket that, and press.aboutamazon.com. Now, there's a reason for this, all right? Because you are utilizing, this is what I can conjure up, okay? This is my reasoning. Because we are on the S3 platform, because we are on Amazon's properties, by utilizing their URL name, we can siphon some of their authority to use as buffers. All right, so I'm going to show you, we're going to launch a new bucket. I'm going to show you the method. So you saw before when you launch a new page, it's DA1, PA1, but let me go ahead and create a new bucket just like I showed you before. But this time we're going to use a variation of their name. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a www, and you can change any variation just as long as it has the Amazon in it or s3.amazon. You can change different variations. You can't use 2 periods in a row. You cannot use any weird punctuations. But if you can make a string, as long as it has the amazon.com or s3.com, just play with it. Press is another one. You can find different variations to siphon off some of the power. So let me go ahead and show you this. Now, again, another way to do it is once you find a winning combination, you can start launching different locations. This is different IPs. So this can be very effective for your link building and for your buffering of links. So let me just walk you through this. We're going to stick with US West North California. We're going to make it public so we can launch a static. This is what I use, www.s3.amazon.com. We're going to acknowledge this. We will create our bucket. All right, we have created our bucket. So here's the new bucket that I just created. All right, and you can tell that no one is utilizing this yet because there's still availabilities. All right. So I'm one of the first people to teach this publicly, to show this. So I'm glad that I'm able to do that for you, with you. All right. So down here is the new one, www.s3.amazon.com. So we will click on that just like normal, and you would add your pages like normal and upload your HTML like normal. But I'm just going to show you the strength of the site that we're going to launch. So we'll head right over here to properties. We're going to host our static website, use this bucket to host a static website, and just like normal, index.html. Now, obviously, I didn't upload any files, so it's going to give an error when I go to the site location, but at least we will be able to see some of the siphon of the authority from Amazon.com. So 404.html. All right, and we're going to save that in there. We'll head back up here to the static website hosting. When we click on this, it opens up our new site. Now, if we uploaded information, we would have, our site would be showing, but we're starting off with a DA49. So it's a DA50 link. Yes, there's a spam score, but it is irrelevant because we are going to simply use this as a buffer. The PA is a 23, so the page authority, it's a new site. It's brand new. I just launched it. It's a PA23 and a DA49. All right, right from the door. So this is how you siphon off some of the authority and the power by just launching a brand new page that's never even been indexed yet. You're starting off with a DA49 PA23. All right. I would use this to buffer out links to go to your other static website that's PA1, DA1, and then send that with an exact anchor right to your site. So this is the Siphon method. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show another property that's very powerful that you should use within your stacks. And if you want, instead of ranking or using these entities, you can build them out, power them up with links, and then send it over to this other property that I will show you in the next video, and use that for ranking or as yet another powerful link to send to your site. So I'll see you in the next training.